Hi guys, this is my final firework stash, part 3 for 2018 UK. First up we've got some sparklers, varied different sizes in there. Next we've got 2 more packs of the Power shot tubes TNT. Unfortunately couldn't get the loud and clears. 48 grams in the pack. And it's 12.2 grams in each. I've been told these are better than the standard ones, so should be alright. Next, we have the Kimbolton Bronze Selection Box. Recently done an unboxing of this. Get 12 fireworks and 291 grams of powder. There's a cake, Catherine wheel, Roman candles, and mine, and some fountains in there. I paid £10 for that. Next, we have Angel Dust by Brothers Nice Mine Cake, 120 grams in 20 shots. Then we have 2 packs of the 5 Alive rockets, 105 grams of powder in the pack, 21 grams in each. I've got 2 packs of them. Next we have the Sky Crusade, 3 16-shot cakes by Firestar Fireworks. 1, 2, and 3. 262.4 grams in the pack. 15-meter safety distance. Sky Crusade 2 is 89 grams. The 3 is 86.2 grams. And the first one is 87.2 grams. So they should be punchy little cakes. They look pretty decent for £20. Can't really go wrong. Then we've got 2 Kimbolton Swarming Bugs, 16 shots each, 200 grams of powder. Both had a sticker on the back. I ripped it off that one, but it's practically the same, just rules in different orders. So that's pretty decent. I paid £3.50 each for them, so that's a really good deal. And then my finale this year, Diamond Princess, 25mm ball. There's 408 grams of powder, 28 shots. The effects down there if it'll focus. But yeah, I paid £20 for that, so that's not too bad. But yeah, that is my fireworks stash. Part 3 even, for 2018 UK. I'll do a video where I go over everything that I've got.